Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In our day 3 tutorial we are going to see some applications of trigonometric functions. In this video we will do the application of trigonometric function for finding the height of building and for finding the height of the hill. So we will do some examples on this. The first question is finding the height of this flagpole if an observer O at the bottom and the top of flagpole are having an angle of elevation of 30 degree and 45 degree. Then if the angle of elevations are 30 degree and 45 degree, what will be the height of this flagpole? This is one application of trig functions. Given that the horizontal distance from this building is 30 meters. So we will do how to find this one. The second example will be on finding of the height of the hill. This question asks what will be the height of this hill from the ground, from this bottom to this one, or variably h, finding h. If the first observation is made 60 degree and then the sighting are taken 1000 meters apart from the same ground elevation. The sightings are from a transit of 1.5 meters. Thus, the question is to find what is the height of the hill. This is the height of the hill from this ground. So we need to find h. Let's do the solutions of those two questions. So, for the first one, for this one, let's do a right angle triangle. Let's say label them. The ground is A and this point, the initial of the flagpole, let's say B, and this ending point C. And after labeling them, the question is to find BC. So this BC can be found by finding AC and AB. So first we need to find AB and AC. After finding them, BC is simply the difference between AC and BC. Thus, variables AB and AC can be found from the tangent functions of a trig. Since their adjacent sides is given, the opposite side can be found from tan functions. From the definition of tan is opposite over adjacent. So for triangle, for example, the big triangle AOC, for this big triangle, tan 45 will be its opposite side, AC over AO. And the same way, if you crisscross it, AC can be found, so AO times tan 45 degree. So OA times 45 degree gives AC. OA is given 30 meters, so substituting this, and tan 45 is 1, so 30 times 1 is 30 meters. The same way, for the small triangle AOB, for AOB, the tangent function defined will be AB over AO. So AB over AO, then AB still can be found from 30 meters times tan of 30 degree, which gives tan 30 degree is 3 over 3. So 3 by 3, it will be 10. So 10 times root 3 meter. 10 times root 3, it gives 17.32 meter. the question is to find the height of flagpole, that means BC. BC can be found from the difference of AC and AB. Our AC is 30 meter and our AB is 17.32 meter, so BC will be 12.68 meter. So these trig functions can be found for finding of the height of a building or any. For the second question is to find the height of this hill if an observer here, not observer, it is a surveyor. The surveyor takes a sighting from 60 degree and 30 degree. In between the two sightings there is 1000 apart. So what will be the height of this hill? Again, using the applications of simple trig functions, h can be found from h is simply this one, 1.5 meter plus AB. So first you need to find the length of AB. To find this one, let's use the definition of simple trig functions. First, for the first triangle, for triangle ADB, for the bigger triangle, right angle triangle, tan 30 degree can be defined opposite side, that is AB, over adjacent side. Its adjacent side is this AC. AC means x plus this one 1000 meter. So h over x plus 1000. So AB from this one can be found x plus 1000 times tan 30 degree. For the small triangle, tan 60 degree can be found h over x. So from this one, the small triangle, AB can be found x times tan 60 degree. For both of them, this adjacent, this opposite side AB have the same magnitude, so we can make equal this value and this value. So from these two equations, from this and from this one, AB is simply x plus 1000 times tan 30 degree, which must be equal to x times tan 60 degree. So tan 30 degree is root 3 over 3 and tan 60 is root 3 by root 3 by root 3. It gives x plus 1000, crisscrossing make it, and 3x, it will be like this. So 2x equal to 1000, so x will be 500 meter. Now we got x 500 meter. If we got x, then simply AB can be found substituting the value of x in place of this one or in place of this one. From the second, simply 500 times tan 60 degree. It means tan 60 is root 3, so 5 times root 3, it gives 866 point something. Therefore, h can be found 1.5 plus this, the height AB. AB is simply 500 times tan 60 degree, then this tan 60 degree is root 3 times this one is 866, so this one plus 1.5 gives around 867.5 meter. So this, the height of the hill, will be calculated using simple basic trigonometric functions. Thank you for listening. If you are new, please subscribe.